Eight trending stocks. This is Thursday, the 9th of October, 2025. We have TMC, ABAT, TTRX, SERV, INOD, WULF, DAL, and PEP. They are all time stamped. So just go to the one you want to watch and have a look. TMC up 8.33%, intraday high in this session, $10.3. Yesterday lost 1.72. The extrapolation is saying that, it's saying that we may have a contraction going all the way towards the pre-market session of tomorrow. We're not seeing anything like that. It's saying that yeah, by the close of today's trading session, it might contract somewhat, but no guarantee that this will be the case. Then maybe from Friday the 10th, the uptrend may resume and may hold up till Wednesday the 15th of October. Price pressure momentums on its 10 and 21 period moving averages are robustly trending. If there is indeed some selling pressure going on, there's always selling pressure going on, but they haven't changed anything yet. Positions opened all the way back to let's see, 84 hours ago are still very much trending. Yeah, they're still very much trending. Yeah. So let's just quickly have a look at the daily chart to see what it's saying. What it was saying yesterday concerning TMC in terms of extrapolation. Yeah. Okay. Today as well. Yeah. It is saying that it's going to contract somewhat. Yesterday it contracted. Okay. We don't exactly know whether that will be the case. Okay. We'll leave it. The regular session hasn't opened, so we're just going to rely on the 4 hour chart, which is always open, which is always on. Yeah, so let's quickly move on to ABAT. ABAT up 4.35%. Intraday high in this session, $6.37. Yeah, it looks quite liquid. Yeah, this looks quite liquid. Let's see what's going on. Okay, not a lot of shares have crossed the tape so far for American Battery Tech, ABAT. Okay, the extrapolation is saying that this trend will remain in place at least up till Friday the 10th pre-market session, then consolidate up till Tuesday the 14th pre-market session. In fact, going all the way towards Monday the 20th of October pre-market session. Projections are saying, let's see, the current price is 6.24. It's saying 6.21. It's a slight downward projection. 6.74, 7.07. Nothing really ambitious there. Intraday high, what do we see? 6.37. Not really ambitious. Not ambitious at all. Not ambitious. Price pressure momentums. Let's see what we have. They're all trending. Nothing here is bearish at all on this 4 hour chart. Yeah, positions opened all the way back to 84 hours ago. Very much, they're still very much in profit. We just need to see high projection. Okay, yeah, we have some here. $8, 8.66, just modestly higher. Yeah, let's see. Uh, yeah, let's see what we have here. 5.78, not really. Yeah. Okay, there might be ample room to the upside. There might be. Let's quickly just see. Yeah, if you take 6.37 and remove 5.9, that 5.96 from it, you have roughly 0.41. So I think those projections we saw up to $8, yeah, they're not out of place. They are pretty much in line with what you'll be able to calculate if you try to calculate the projections. So let's have a look at TTRX. Should be an explosive one. Turn from Ton Therapeutics, intraday high 49.79, up 258.1, 258 percent. Yeah, let's see what's going on with TTRX. Yeah, okay, it just debuted, I think. Yeah, so just be careful with TTRX. Not enough data, not enough data. Let's see. Yeah, okay, not even the 1 minute chart is extrapolated. Let's see what we have in terms of 27.75, 25.75. Yeah, 7.74 earlier on. It got initiated at 9.5 yesterday. Was that yesterday? Yeah, well, yesterday in the regular session. Okay, we have as high as 40.32, 47.50, 51.93. This was in this yeah today. Those were the projections. I think the highest projection so far. Intraday high 49.79. It's currently at 25.96. It may continue to run in the interim, but just be really careful. Just be careful with it's just new, fresh. And if there's lockup periods involved, maybe that's why it's running. Shares are a bit scarce, but it doesn't mean that you won't get burnt. So we have SERV, SERV, SERV. Let's see. Okay, up 11.39%. It's also looking liquid as well. Intraday high 16.44. Yeah, 16.44. Let's have a look and see SERV. What's going on? SERV. Okay, so extrapolation is saying that strength will remain in play. Okay, no, even with this slight contraction, even though it's up 11%, it has actually got a rejection. We got a rejection up here at 16.44. Here it's not seeing that, it's seeing something else. It's seeing 15.57, not that. Just a slight discount. So, yeah, it's saying that it's still going to remain strong, even though it's contracting, still strong up till midday today, midday New York time. And then after that, a contraction will remain in place up till the pre-market session of tomorrow, the 10th, and may attempt to bounce up till Monday the 13th, and then after that, the downtrend, the contraction may continue going all the way towards at least Friday the 4th or Friday the 17th of October. This is an extrapolation going all the way towards so many days. No guarantee that that will be the case. Projections are saying 12.2. Current price is 15.33. Let's see, 12.2 is a downward projection. Okay. Previous projections we have here 16.44. Okay. It's a modest premium to the current price of 15.4. 15.4. Previous projections, let's see what we have 16.15, 16.98. Nothing so far. Let's see what we have. 13.4. We want to see something beyond $16. Yeah, there might be somewhere. Indeed, also it has downward projections. It has 8.89, 9.5, 10.50. Price pressure momentum's robustly trending. Yes, nothing here is negative at all. Positions opened all the way back to 84 hours ago are still in profit. So the stock has just contracted modestly within. So the stock has is yeah, positions opened all the way back to 84 hours ago are still very much in profit. Yeah. Okay, so let's see what we have for INOD. INOD is okay, trending as well, but just modestly up by 0.06%. We've not been checking with the news with these stocks. INOD. Let's see if it's trending. There might be, and it's not up massively. Maybe there's something. something something about can data deliver daily can data's delivery expansion reinforce its competitive edge. I think data is into AI LLM trainings. Yeah, yeah, that's what they do. Yeah, data. Yeah, data operates in a rapidly expanding AI services market where established technology leaders are also advancing their capabilities. Two notable competitors shaping the landscape are Microsoft and Palantir. Microsoft has been expanding its Azure OpenAI service and Copilot ecosystem, offering enterprise-scale generative AI solutions. Companies also progressing toward agentic AI by embedding reasoning, planning, and autonomy into workflows and much more. Yeah. Okay, let's see what we have. Extrapolation is saying that higher prices will continue to play out, going all the way towards Wednesday, the 15th of October pre-market session, and then we may have a contraction towards Friday, the 17th pre-market session, and then what looks like a bounce that may kick in. Okay, these extrapolations go all the way towards so many hours ahead. No guarantee that that will be the case. Current price 93.25, intraday high 94.88. Yesterday, the 8th of October, yes. Yesterday, the 8th of October, that was when that intraday high printed. Projections are currently saying 110.71, 121.49, 128.14. Price pressure momentums, they are easily trending robustly. Nothing here is negative at all. For some reason, we haven't seen anything negative on this price pressure momentums. Yeah, positions opened all the way back to 84 hours ago, still very much in profit as things stand right now. Okay, let's see what we have for WULF. WULF is up 4.72%. Intraday high yesterday, 12.99. Let's see what we have. WULF. Okay. Extrapolation is saying that yeah, it may continue. This strength may remain in place up till Fridays, for up to midday tomorrow the 10th. That's tomorrow Friday the 10th. And then after that, we may go into a slightly distributive contraction that may remain in place up till Wednesday the 15th pre-market session, and then may attempt to bounce, but may be rejected. Okay, once again, these extrapolations they go towards so many hours ahead, and the odds of them, panning out are not they're not very high. They're not very high. Okay, so projections are saying 12.7. What's that? 12.7 relative to what we have here. 12. Okay, the current price is at 12.87. So 12.7 is a slightly downward projection. Above that, we have 13.25, 13.3, 13.60 intraday high, 12.99. Okay, that has already been breached. No, yeah, no, it hasn't been breached. It's but not that far off. Yeah, 13.81. Let's see whether we have anything higher than that. 14.28. 14.28 printed on the 22nd of September. 13.67. Yeah, let's see what we have. Yeah, okay, 14.28. I think that will be our best bet so far. Let's see what we have here. 14.28. Yeah. Okay, price pressure momentums, you can easily imagine they are all trending as well. The 10 and 21 period moving averages are trending. Derivatives are in whole numbers, nothing fractional at all about them. It doesn't mean that selling pressure is not on, but they haven't. They're not enough. They're not enough at all. There are indeed also downward projections. We have 11.25, 11.45, 11.78. Okay. Next is DAL. Delta Airlines up, a massive 8.89%. Intraday high $62.3. Just printed that now. I think its earnings outcomes may have surprised the market. Delta Airlines. Let's see what the news is saying. Yeah, and $2 billion from its American Express partnership in the third quarter, showcasing its diverse revenue sources, including credit card loyalty program and premium cabin sales. Delta Airlines revised its full year adjusted earnings per share forecast from $7.35 to a new range of 5.25 to 6.25 due to tariffs and weakened demand. In the recent quarter, this Delta Airlines reported a 2% growth in domestic unit revenue, with expectations for continued positive performance in the upcoming December quarter. Okay, there are some positive news there. Extrapolation is now saying that it's going to cycle to the upside, going all the way towards Friday, the 17th of October. Yeah, as a matter of fact, it may, even though it's cycling, it's extrapolating is cycled towards those levels. It may actually begin to consolidate from Tuesday the 14th. Actually, yeah. Projections are saying, let's see what we have currently. We have 60.66 intraday high, 62.35. So that's a downward projection. The market has opened there. The market has just opened. So previous projections were saying $61. Let's see, 62.37. Let's see what we have here. 63.55. They're all modest. I mean, modest relative to the current price. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, 71.87, 69.79, 66.87. What we can do is just quickly jump to the 5 minute chart. Given this intraday highs of 62.35, we may be able to see something really maybe bigger than $71. We have 66.46. Yeah, it's a premium to the current price right now. Let's see, 59, 58.39, 60.51. Let's see, 57, 58.78. Okay, let's get down to the 1 minute chart. Let's see what we have here. 62, 60.2, 61, 62.7. Yeah, we're searching now. We're desperate to see projections. Okay, we can't find any. We already have $77 on the $71 on this 4 hour chart. So see how liquid this market is. See how liquid this market is. Yeah, nothing's coming up here. Okay. Yeah, the reason why we didn't see that is because we are on the wrong price. The price is down here. Yeah, this is where it is. $60. We'll close this and come back again. Yeah, see where it is. Yeah. Yeah, the market is quite liquid. Quite liquid. Delta Airlines. It shouldn't be a surprise. It's a blue chip company. Okay, let's have a look at PEP. Pepsi is up 1.55%. Intraday low 137 printed in this pre-market session. Let's see what we have for Pepsi. Okay, yeah, underlying trend seem to be bearish. Okay, so let's see what the news is saying. PepsiCo reported the Q3 earnings that showed a core earnings per share of 2.29 Yeah, 2.29, and net revenue of $23.94 billion, both above estimates. However, profit fell to $2.6 billion with declines in food and beverage volumes. Elliott Investment Management has bought a $4 billion stake in PepsiCo, pushing the company to assess its brands, cut weak products, and improve its bottling network. October Q up to today's it filed in it from 8Q with the SEC revealing its financial. Okay, yeah. So it's earnings that is behind this the trend on the stock. So higher prices are expected to it's expected to bounce. It's bouncing from the lows of 13.82 printed yesterday, the 8th of October. And then that bounce is the strength from down, but that bounce is expected to remain in place up till Wednesday, the 15th of October, midday. And then after that, we may go into a contraction towards Monday, the 20th. No guarantee that that will be the case. Projections are saying just 140, just only 140 or thereabout, just right around where it is, downward projection. But previous projections as of yesterday, there was 143.1, 144.72, 145.71. As of the 23rd of September, there was 144.33, 146.01, 147.06. Even more ambitious projections as of the 11th of September, 149.87, 151.91, 156.33, 159.05. So as things stand right now, the price pressure momentums are okay. The 10-period moving average is trending. However, the first derivative is bearish. The second derivative is positive, but fractional. The 21 period is still bearish. Okay, so positions opened 81 hours, 84 hours ago are still in the red. The ones opened 40 hours ago are now in profit, going by the fact that the 10 period moving average is trending. So have a look at the stocks. They're all time stamped, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.